Ankit Hazarika to kindly escort our Region Chairman Layan Barua.
Thank you.
Blessings. Let there be harmony in your thoughts. Let there be harmony in your gatherings. Let there be harmony in your brains and minds. Let there be harmony in your mutual help. Be you all mutually cooperative in service. Thank you.
Thank you. Few moments silence for world peace. Michael Manjan got good. I couldn't get what I wear is the Sulias. He told me about the Swiss that
Wish you all a very happy new year. Respected Presiding Officer, Honorable District Governor, Layan Dr. MJF Rima Sharma Barua, Regional Chairperson, Layan Amitabh Barua, invited guests, respected members and fellow Layans. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to welcome 2022 in your presence. At the same time, I welcome today's Chief Guest, Layan Dr. Rima Sharma Barua, to the 19th Charter Night celebration. I welcome our Regional Chairperson, Layan Amitabh Barua. Again, I welcome District Chairperson, Layan Meera Barua. I welcome Layan members from the different clubs, invited guests, members from the press, and my dear children. I welcome each and everyone on behalf of Lions Club of Vishay Valley and wish you a very successful program. Thank you, everyone.
A very happy New Year 2020 to everyone. Good evening, Namaste. Presiding Officers, PMJF Layan Satyagata Barua, Honorable District Governor MJF Layan Dr. Rima Sharma Barua, Zone Region Chairperson Layan Amitabh Barua, invited guests and members present. I am going to submit the secretarial report of our club from 1st July 2021 till date. Our club consists of 32 members. It has completed 19 years of service to the mankind in different areas, mainly looking after children deprived and dropped out from school are motivated for practical education. We have 65 libraries in remotest area of Jorhat district for the same. Eradication of loneliness of elderly people by organizing different functions and get together to share their feelings in every month. We have more than 56 such type of people in our fold. Please, fixing of radio sticker in bicycle, rickshaw and tellers. Distribution of leaflets, pamphlets, creating awareness among the people. Blood sugar, blood pressure and eye checkup for professional drivers, thelawalas, rickshaw pullers, etc. PowerPoint presentation on do's or do nots are displayed time to time in heavy traffic areas. Till then, 7 board of directors and 8 general meetings were held so far maintaining COVID-19 protocol. In this Lionistic year, on 15 August, packet dry foods were served to the inmates of Prerana, a house of differently able-sighted children, and at Sarathi, the old age home for women. This time, we were blessed that we could ourselves distribute the same to those needy people. On 5th September, Lions Club Jorhat Disoi Valley felicitated Srimati Ayesha Siddika, a noted educationist, social workers, on the occasion of Teachers' Day at her residence at Khasiali, Jorhat. In lieu of our project, eradication of loneliness of elderly people, this year on 2nd October, we felicitate our parents as they inspire us always for our social service activities. We honored 9 couples. It gives us immense pleasure and satisfaction. On 5th November, to commemorate a herbal tree plantation program by Lions Club Disoi Valley. We have a plan. On 14 November, World Diabetes Day was observed by Lions Club Jorhat Disoi Valley by examining total number of 117 beneficiaries. Blood pressure, blood sugar and eye screening was done. Renowned Dr. Okenji Pathak delivered a thought-provoking speech on the subject. 4 persons were detected with cataract and many persons came with high blood sugar. Cataract detected persons were referred to Jorhat Lions Eye Hospital. On 18th and 24th December, Lions Club of Jorhat Disoi Valley successfully completed road safety awareness program by stating radium sticker to thellas, rickshaws and bicycles, etc. Distributed leaflets and traffic rules and marks at very busy Bata Point, Sariali on 18 December. Same program was conducted on 24 December at PWD Point, Gorali. In the evening, an audio visual on road safety do's and do nots were displayed at heart of the city at truck stand. We are thankful to Jorhat Police for their continued support. Many young people appreciated our activities. Our effort will be successful in the young, if the young generation follow a little even. Today, 3rd January, is a very special day for us. As it is Disoi Valley's 19th birthday, it is more special because our district governor of District 322D is officially visiting us. Thank you, madam. To have more road safety program in nearby areas, that is Tiok, Lergaon, Moriani, Titabar, etc. Where professional drivers, rickshaws, pullers, thelawalas will have facility for check blood sugar, blood pressure and eye screening. for the mother of pediatric cancer patient. And we are going to organize Feed the Hunger project at Jorhat, latest by 12 and 13 January 2022. এইখিনিতে মোৰ এটা ব্যক্তিগত অনুভৱ মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত ব্যক্ত কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ মোৰ এই সম্পাদিত প্ৰতিবেদনৰ মাজতে। আজি আমাৰ এই সন্ধিয়া আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলোঁ বৃক্ষৰোপণ, ঔষধি বৃক্ষৰোপণেৰে। পুৱা 10 বজাত আমাৰ এই কাৰ্যসূচী আৰম্ভ হৈছিল আৰু শুভাৰম্ভ কৰিছিল আমাৰ যোৰহাট জিলাৰ উপায়ুক্ত মহোদয় আৰু আমাৰ অতি আদৰৰ অতি মৰমৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট গভৰ্ণৰ ডক্টৰ ৰীমা শৰ্মা বাইদেৱে। এই জেগাতে মই তেখেতসকলক মই ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। তাৰ পৰৱৰ্তী আমাৰ কাৰ্যসূচী আছিল লগে লগে road safety awareness. আমি পথ সুৰক্ষা কাৰ্যসূচীত আমাৰ আটাইকেইজন লায়ন মেম্বাৰে যথেষ্ট কষ্ট সহকাৰে যান বাহনত ষ্টিকাৰ লগোৱা কাম আজি সম্পন্ন কৰে। এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমাক যোৰহাটৰ আৰক্ষীয়ে আমাক সহায় কৰিছিল। সম্পাদিত প্ৰতিবেদনত মই তেখেতসকলকো ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। পাঠ কৰাৰ পিছত ময়ে জাতি বৰ্ণ ময়ে ব্ৰাহ্মণ চণ্ডাল বৌদ্ধ জৈন পাৰ্চী আমি সকলোৰে অংশ ঈশ্বৰৰ সাধ্যমতে কৰোঁ হিত সকলো লোকৰ আনন্দৰ জিলিঙনি দিব ধৰাত। এইখিনি মোৰ এটা ব্যক্তিগত অভিমত।
Good evening, everyone. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. I feel very glad to get this opportunity to introduce our chief guest, our Honorable District Governor, MCF Lion Rima Sharma Borua, to you all. She is a bright star from Lions Club of Jorhat Greater, with utmost dedication and devotion to the cause of Lionism. And I feel very proud to say that she is the first lady district governor from our town, our locality. She was born in a very respectable family of Jorhat. She is the eldest daughter of the renowned physician of Jorhat, late Dr. Buleswar Sharma and Mrs. Manma Sharma. Lion Dr. Rima Sharma Borua did her schooling from Jorhat Girls Government Higher Secondary School and she graduated from JB College. She did her post-graduation and PhD from Guwahati University, and in the year 1980 she joined BCB College as the lecturer of Department of Zoology, and in 1989 she joined JB College and retired as the head of the Department of Zoology in 2017. And we all know that she was an amazing teacher. Rima Ma'am joined the fold of Lionism as a member of Lions Club of Jorhat Greater in 1997. She served the club in different capacities as club president in the Lionistic year 2008-2009, zone chairperson in 2011-2012, and I like to mention that I was the president of this club during that time, and ma'am cooperated me a lot. Thank you, ma'am. And as region chairman in 2012-2013, executive editor of Eastern Lion in 2010-2011, editor of Eastern Lion in 2016-2017, co-camp director of Youth Exchange Camp in 2017, Family Exchange Director of Youth Exchange Camp in 2019, and second Vice District Governor in 2019-2020. In 2020, She was unanimously elected as the first Vice District Governor and finally elected as the District Governor at 42nd Annual Conference held in Dimapur on 6th and 7th of March 2021. She was trained at Regional Lions Leadership Institute Curriculum, RLLI Kaziranga, and Advanced Lions Leadership Institute in Colombo, Sri Lanka. She attended the international conferences in Sydney, Australia, and Japan, 37th Isame Forum in Hyderabad, and 47th Isame Forum in Chennai. She has proved her excellency by receiving Excellent President Award, the Best Circular by DC Award, and as the editor of Eastern Lion, receiving the Best District Bulletin Award in a multiple and all India level. Apart from Lionism, also, she is the life member of Ahom Sahitya Sabha, member of Assam Science Society, and life member of Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari. Now I'd like to focus on her family life. Lion Dr. Rima Sharma Borua, happily married to PDC Lion Dr. Onimesh Borua, a senior and dynamic radiologist of Jorhat, who had held the position of District Governor of her district in the year 2010-2011. They are based with only daughter, Dr. Orkha Borua, who married to Dr. Nila Borua, a neurologist of Guwahati. This is in a nutshell about our beloved PDC. Thank you, ma'am, again for being with us. Thank you, everyone.
Say a few words.
Presiding Officer, Patada, Region Chairperson, Amita Borua, DC Meera Borua, other cabinet members present here, Secretary Indrajit Prasad, Treasurer Dipali Chaliha, Chattanad Chairperson Anjan Chaliha, invited guests, and my fellow Lions. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. So I wish you all a very happy New Year and coming Magh Bihu and also Sankranti. It's nearby, coming near. So today I'm feeling very happy. We have two projects, one about the plantation of neem tree. I have said plantation, but planting the neem tree, it is very good for the health. It purifies the whole environment. And we give her the fertilizing soil to fertilizer kore. Good property as said. It has very medicinal property it have. And Satada told me that the whole Tekebora road it will be planted on both the sides with a neem tree. But it will be very good. And Zetya Kulibo bought Nyagundai. Mohani was a niggy that. So, Iman Bhalta project to Tabel Luisa. And Dickies Moharazita each year they are doing. And Aja Tata Region sticker logai this that a man decade. And I requested so many awareness programs are also there related to it. You can have the hoardings and along with your activities and so the awareness safety measures on one side. In schools even you can have the debate competition among us. Representative develop traffic rule ki hal kekini bahut bhal kotha ase kisman project apnaloke lobo pare aji tenka dhoronor project apnaloke loi pলাই jeto apnaloke bosori it is a permanent activity you are doing nohoy jano This is a permanent activity, so you can think of other ways also doing it. It's a very important project. 11 January to road safety week. You can also do certain projects on that week also. It will be our international president of Thakong, Douglas X. Alexander. 13 January Palehi. It's the birthday of Malvin Jones. So hunger project like it Kuibo Pari. There's a month of hunger, as a secretary just told in his secretary report. Yet apparently Kuiba Magbi who he said, Concranti and he said, Kibaka apparently Kisman hunger project Kuibo Pari. The whole Maro, Kalpur Kisman Kathas, among the Nakan Club Push, the Juhato Kokono Man, who is a log leggy, Aman Rudikon, I Sapa Kuibo Pari, and Rudikon. It's a very good project, but we, all the clubs, many representatives of the clubs are present here. So we can do that unitedly, along with the municipality corporation. So you can think of that. In Mahanakoman said 2035, we have 76 clubs now. One Rio Club is given by the Lions Club of Jorhat. Other clubs are Kanchipur Palace, and the remote place of Nagaland is a Junavoto Kuloto. It's a remote area. Again, we are also trying, of course, it is in the last days, 4 clubs in Arunachal Pradesh. We had earlier one club in Arunachal Pradesh, that's the Bandardua. Now we may have 4 clubs. In Arunachal Pradesh, it is a very virgin area of Lions International School. Our dictator was the main motto. The main motto of our organization is to serve. To service in service, whatever we do, we have to do 5 service activities mainly. We have district service activities are there. One is the hunger, you have done it, and also planning to do this month. Other is the diabetes. And the Bulls Day we have to take by screening the children in the schools. Can you do it? Yes. You can do it. Along with the screening of the eyes, you can do it, but I mean, mentally we are not prepared. The parents are not prepared that their children may have diabetes. So you should first do the awareness, then only you can go into the school for diabetes screening. And I think Lions Club of Jorhat, they're stepping to it. Other clubs also we can do it. Then about the vision, that they also, when I visit clubs, I command what counts there, they count these 5 aspects. 5 what I mean the competition aside. You do service, but just after that, you have to report. Pelai nutubo kitya. Aji korise, aji ba kaile nutoke report to apnake di. Karan service jodi kore without reporting, it is not counted by Lions Club International. Aru kisman district or project ase. My district or project is a 1 district, 1 activity. First week, we do blood donation, blood related projects, and the last week, the diabetes projects. And because diabetes, it has been main focused activity of this sensory. Permanent activity projects sobore thakibo nware. You can do permanent activity. Apnalokor eitu ase road safety. And also you have to do, I think I request you to do the innovative projects. You can just survey what are the needs of this Jorhat area. Then accordingly, you can do such projects. Survey ta korile ulai poribo. Ki lage, ki amar samajot dorkar hoise. Tenuka dhৰণৰ কথা যে আপোনালোকে অলপ সাৰ্ভে কৰে তেতিয়া এটা সদায় নতুন নতুন প্ৰজেক্ট আপোনালোকে কৰিব পাৰিব কাৰণ ইয়াত যি বহি আছে বা যি কেইজন মানুহ আছে, each and every person present here, they have their own quality, unique quality. They can innovate. We are human beings. Sobe pare, nuara kuno nai. Gotike we have the capacity, khali bahir kori uliai anibo lage. Ketei kotha. And next about the animal welfare. Rajma Pukhri ase. So there, ratipuwa jao ulai. আপোনালোকো নিশ্চয় যায় ৰাতিপুৱা তাত এখন ফলক নাই কেনেকৈ সেই ৰাজমহ পুখুৰী হিষ্ট্ৰী সেই বস্তুটো আপোনালোকে কোনোবা ক্লাবে তাত যদি লিখিব পাৰে পাৰ্মিশ্যন লৈ পেলাই সেইটো এটা আমাৰ যোৰহাটৰ কাৰণে ভাল বস্তু ৰজা মৈদাম আছে ৰজা মৈদামৰ আছে নেকি আছে তাত আছে কিন্তু ৰাজমহ পুখুৰীত নাই কিন্তু সেই তাত আপোনালোকে কিন্তু তেনেকৈ কেনেকৈ তাৰ হিষ্ট্ৰীটো লিখিব পাৰে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হিষ্টৰিকেল চাইট যিবিলাক আছে তাত আপোনালোকে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কাম লাইনছৰ এক্টিভিটি কৰিব পাৰে আৰু হোৰ্ডিং এটা ইমান ভাল প্ৰজেক্ট কৰি আছে এইটো ৰোড ছেফটিৰ ওপৰত খুব কম প্ৰজেক্ট আছে কিন্তু আমাৰ ক্লাবে কৰাইটো গতিকে ইউ কেন হেভ দ্য হোৰ্ডিংছ অকল ৱেলকাম বৰ্ড বুলিয়ে নহয় তাত আপোনালোকৰ এক্টিভিটিবিলাকো যদি লিখি দিয়ে বা ট্ৰেফিক ৰুলছবিলাকৰ কথাও যদি লিখি দিয়ে ইট ইজ ভেৰি ইউজফুল ফৰ দ্য পিপলছ অলছ' এণ্ড এটা PR activity হয় আপোনালোকৰ that's the case এবাৰ যদি ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ডাইৰেক্টৰখন চাই ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি আছে কিন্তু মই নকওঁ বহুত ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি আছে থাকেই কিন্তু তাত কিছুমান নতুন বস্তু আছে বি কিপিং এইবিলাক আপোনালোকে দিব পাৰে কিন্তু সেইটো বি কিপিঙৰ বাকচবিলাক থাকে নহয় সেইবিলাকৰ সেইটো দিব পাৰে আৰু স্কুলত আপোনালোকে বস্তু আগতে কিন্তু স্কুলৰ কাম কৰিছিল লাইব্ৰেৰী 35 আৰু 65টা আছে 65টা লাইব্ৰেৰী আছে even in the school and colleges you can give book bag equipment দিব পাৰে নিজৰ লায়ন্স ক্লাবৰ নাম লিখি পেলাই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ দিব পাৰে আৰু অৰ্গেনিক মেনিউ you can give কেনেকৈ কৰে ফাৰ্মিং কম্পোষ্ট কেনেকৈ কৰে you can give leaflets and also you can distribute তেনেকৈ আপোনালোকে আজি ৰেডিয়াম দিছে গছৰ পুলি দিছে you can also distribute farming compost to the farmers to যাতে অৰ্গেনিক আমি শাক পাচলি পাব পাৰোঁ সেইবিলাক কেতিয়াবা আপোনালোকে যদি দি এইবিলাক বস্তু আছে বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ ছাৰ্ভিচ আপোনালোকেও সেইবিলাক ভাবি চিন্তি উলিয়াব পাৰে মোৰ মনত আহিলে ক'লো নিজৰ আইডিয়া কেইটামান আপোনালোকক দ্বিতীয়তে হৈছে আমাৰ লিডাৰশ্বিপ যেতিয়া লিডাৰশ্বিপৰ কিছুমান প্ৰগ্ৰেম আহে এইবাৰ আহিছিলে মানুহবোৰ ওলাই যাবচোন বাহিৰলৈ চাবচোন ওলাই গৈ কিমান ভাল লাগে বাহিৰত যেতিয়া ওলাই যাব এলাই যাবলৈ বহুত মানে হোৱাটছআপত দি আছো নাহে তাৰপিছত যেনিবা এজন আহিলে লগত দুজন আহিলে থাৰ্ডজন ফ'ৰ্থজন আছে তেওঁলোকৰ মাজত কম্পিটিশ্যন লাগিছে কোন যাব সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'লে যেতিয়া বুজি পায় তেতিয়া গুচি যায়গৈ মানুহখিনি আৰু এইটো সুযোগ আপোনালোকে গ্ৰহণ কৰিব যেতিয়া কোনোবা এটা লিডাৰশ্বিপ প্ৰগ্ৰেম বাহিৰত থাকে মোৰ অনুৰোধ যাতে আপোনালোকে সেইবিলাক সুযোগ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে আৰু এতিয়া কেতিয়াবা আপোনালোকে সেইটোৱে গৈছে না LLC লাইন্স লাৰ্ণিং চেণ্টাৰ ইফ ইউ গো দেয়াৰ ইউ ভিজিট দেয়াৰ চাব সেইবিলাকত কিমান নিজৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ কাৰণে কিমান বস্তু আছে not only for lions development of lionism but personal development also আৰু আজি ক্লাবটো দেখি ভাল লাগিছে এইটো মাজত বহুতখিনি আপোনালোকৰ আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং আছে এইটো হৈছে মেম্বাৰৰ ছেটিছফেকশ্যন ইট ইজ আ মেইন থিং মানুহৰ ছেটিছফেকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে মেম্বাৰ ছেটিছফেকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে তেনেকৈ যদি আপোনালোকে ক্লাবটোক সেই ছেটিছফেকশ্যন যিখিনি মেম্বাৰে বিচাৰিখিনি দিব পাৰে মেম্বাৰ্ছ উইল নট লিভ ফ্ৰম ইয়ৰ ক্লাব এইটো এটা মন কৰিব পাৰে আপোনালোকে ডিউজৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আকৌ আহি আছে 31st January to clear the district dues and before 15th February you have to clear the international dues. So the dues black clear rakle kitao apnalok financial suspension na jay. Jano dibo apnaloke sobe সময়টো কিটো হইলে ভাল হয়. And again we have two foundation TFF and LCIF. This is the foundation that give grants to us for various projects. So I do not force you. If you wish, you can give to make our foundation strong. Club Excellence Award again. Everyone deserves it to make your club excel in all ways. For that, Master Booster first is the membership gain. Membership gain means if you have a surgeon drop with a person, membership gain no, it's minus. So membership gain should be there. Whatever the number as a membership gain, that media to publish that will so big, that's each and every club do. And about the 3 projects and also reporting, plus reporting. So big on it. What do you say? 75 rupees of product, you can donate to LCNF. It's very easy. Go to the website, they will donate a cassette, button to tick, each donate. Very simple. Khali egita step koriye, club can be excellent. They can have a award for excellence. Amar yat pratik quarterly contest hoye thake. Ebar January ma contest ase. Those who get বেছি LLC course কৰে individual আছে ক্লাবৰো আছে আৰু আপোনালোকে ইমান ভাল ভাল কামবোৰ কৰি আছে এটা ষ্টৰী লিখিব ষ্টৰী মানে কি কৰিছে এক্টিভিটিটো কেনেধৰণে কৰিছে সেইটো লিখিব 5খন মান ধুনীয়া ফটো তাতে ভিডিও সবে কৰি থাকে সেইটো আমাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত দি দিবচোন it's a competition so you can have the awards for it very simple but you have to do it that's case Ekini say কথা মোক কবলগিয়া এটো মই এটা কথা কও যে কাইলে সাইডে কাইলে আমাৰ হেৰি জোহাটো লায়ন ফেস্ট তাৰ পৰহিলা আছে আমাৰ ইউথ এক্সচেঞ্জ ক্যাম্প আছে আৰু এই ইউথ এক্সচেঞ্জ ক্যাম্প গোটেই ভাৰতৰ ভিতৰত অকল আমাৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টতে হয় বেলেগ বেলেগ ঠাইৰ ইউথ আহে লৰা আহে তেওঁলোকে কৰি এবাৰ কিন্তু বাহিৰৰ পৰা তেনেকে জীৱ আহিছে কেনসেল হৈছে কোভিডৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ দুখন ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টৰ মাজতে হ'ব এইটো আৰু দ্বিতীয় হৈছে 5 আৰু 6 মাৰ্চত কি আছে district conference all the clubs I request all the clubs of Jorhat to have a very good experience of a good district conference together we can do it isn't it so I can reply for English thank you very much next আছে মই আপোনালোকক এই বছৰৰ ডিস্ট্রিক্ট পিন এটা আছে আমাৰ ডিস্ট্রিক্ট খনৰে আছে আৰু মোৰ স্লোগানটো আছিল বিস্তাৰ উইথ ইনোভেশন প্ৰথমতে মই কতটা গিছো বুক আহক মই